Outstanding design defines the 2015 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.